What is going on, peoples? Well, another day of trading, guys. Another day of trading. Let's see what we can do today. This is Funding Ticks. It's a prop firm. Right now you can get a $50,000 account for $50. I'll put my code up there. Oops. Don't even know how to spell my own name. I'll put my code out there so anybody wants to buy an account right now. Okay. Anybody wants to buy an account right now, this is the time to do it, guys. This is the time to do it. $50, you can't beat it, guys. You can't beat it. So let's do some trading right now. Let's see what's cooking here. What's cooking here? Trying to see what the easy. That's just a bunch of consolidation there and there, so we are just gonna wait for that to break out or do something. I got 4 minis on there, so the money, you can gain a lot of money and you can also lose a lot of money with 4 minis. So just like I was telling you guys yesterday, best thing to do is start with micros. See, the bad thing about the way I trade is that there's a lot of consolidation here, 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 and here. So it's kind of hard for me to get into a trade when all that consolidation is there, you know. OG Trucker, what's cracking? What's cracking, OG Trucker? This is Tradeovate, by the way. That chart, Tradeovate. It's rough. Right now the market is rough. When it comes to trading, best thing to do is just hold off, and we will see what happens. We shall see what happens. There's no need, because you're in front of the computer and you're in front of a chart. There's no need for you to place a trade when there's really nothing to trade, you know. You have to trade what you see, not what you think. OG Trucker, where you at? What you up to, man? Yeah, I've been trying to get this OBS uh, system down packed. Yesterday I was not able to see the chat, so finally did some research on how to turn on the chat. So finally got it. I think I got it. I think I'm not too sure. Yeah, so all this consolidation right here is just really, it's really not tradable. There's no need to get into it because there's nothing there to trade. Hauling sand right now from Simi Valley to LA. Nice, nice. Get your money, bro. Get your money. Get your. I know that son of a biscuit's heavy as you know what. Get your money. Yeah, you see, there's a bunch of consolidation there, so there's no need. No need for us to get into anything. That's all consolidation. So 5 minutes, 5 minutes. It's a pump up. 1 minute. 1 minute is just consolidation. So there's really no need for us to get into something like that, you know. But again, trading is a good way of making some extra income if you know you can trade right. And what I mean by trading right is just having patience. You gotta have patience for this, because if you don't, yeah, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Which that is not the strategy, guys. That is not the strategy. Yeah, I know a couple of truckers, OG trucker, that they're doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing, and they tell me that son of a biscuit is it's pretty heavy sometimes. Are you doing doubles or singles, OG trucker? Yeah, the time to get into the market should have been at 6:30. Look at the movement on the market. Yeah, look at all that. That was pretty good. This right here is just too ugly to get into, you know. On dry van. No, dry van. Wait a minute. No, dry van. Work today, Vic. Yeah, I bought my own transfer truck. Nice, OG trucker. Nice. Yeah, that dry van is pretty dry right now. It is pretty dry. No, no dry van work today, OG trucker. No, I've been down, OG trucker. I've been down since I believe Sunday. Uh, I messed myself up. I was in the garage. Well, I was in the backyard fixing my sprinklers because I've had some leaking sprinklers. So I went to replace the valve on the sprinklers. Well, I went to check the valve to see, if it was overflowing. And when I took the cap off the valve, a bunch of water spat out because I didn't turn off the water valve for the house. So, of course, I got wet. But when I went into the garage, I fell. I did the splits. So the back of my leg, I mean, yeah, it was some painful stuff, especially when you don't work out. Them splits, they kill me. So I've been down since Sunday. So I just been limping around the house. My wife has been massaging me and putting some balm on my leg, but yeah, it's been pretty painful with that freaking damn muscle. It's just the back of my leg that hurts. It's painful. I wasn't able to sit down for 2 days, 3 days. And finally yesterday I was able to sit down, and today, as you can see, I'm sitting down. But yeah, that crap, yeah, that's painful. I think I blacked out. But yeah, that was crazy. So we got a dumper, but I mean, it's not going anywhere, It's just in this area right here. I'm about to draw my box. If it comes down here and then it shoots back up, and then I'll just trade inside this box. You're right about that, OG. OG Trucker says we're not Van Damme to be doing the splits anymore. Yeah, that was some painful stuff. Painful stuff. I think I'm gonna draw my box because it looks like it's just dangling right here. Just dangling right here, so I'm gonna trade in here. That is the plan, guys. That is the plan. Well, while we're waiting for a setup, OG Trucker, how's business? How's the sand and the dirt business going? Trucking with G, what's up? What's up, Trucking with G? Trucking with G is also a trader. Man, that sounds so bad. That don't even sound right. He's a trucker. He's a trucker. But he is also a trader. He also trades. So for everyone else that is a trucker that's trying to get into trading, don't say you don't have time to trade, because look at Trucking with G. Trucking with G is doing the damn thing. He is trading just like everybody else. Let me blow this up so you guys can see this a little bit better. It's good. My boy is staying busy. That's good. That's good, OG Trucker. That is really good. So this is my strategy, guys. So I'll go to the 5 minute. And if I just see this, which is consolidation, I'll go to the 1 minute. Since it's consolidating there, I'll draw my box right here like this, and then I'll just trade with inside this box. See, like that looks like a good trade. It's got 32 seconds on the candle. You know what? Let me. Candle's flickering a little too much for me. Let me put a buy limit order there, and then we'll just go there. Just go a few from 46 to 51. I just wait to get hit. Now the reason why I'm thinking it's gonna go long, because of this long wick and this body candle, and then of course this next one confirms that it's gonna keep going long. But the market does what the market does. I can't tell the market what to do. And again, I always look for the time on the candle. So if the time is under 20 and it's getting close to filling me, I always move my entry, because it does not have enough time. Like right now it's got 3 seconds. Don't fill me. Okay, now 59 seconds, I'll take that now. If it fills me now, I'm good to go.
Stop filled.
Because it's got enough time on the candle to fill me.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. So let's see what David's saying. Looks like you're praying, not trading. Oh my God. I made 200 on an eval, and I made 900 on a practice account today. That's right, Trucking with G. That's right. So that was a good trade. That was a good trade, guys. So again, let me explain my strategy. So I like trading on the 5 minutes, but if I see this, which is consolidation, I go over to the 1 minute, and the consolidation becomes this. So what I do is I draw my box, and then I just trade inside the box. That's it. It looks like New York finally drank some Starbucks, because finally has some movement. Earlier today it was just crawling. Wait a minute. Trucking with G. We know OG Trucker? Truck driving cowboy. Hello, my friend from Jacksonville, Florida. Jacksonville, Florida. That's right, that's right. Thanks for being in the neighborhood, man. Appreciate it. OG Trucker, do we know you, OG Trucker? Are you the one with that went live with Cholo Trucker and us? Okay, so let's see, what are we doing? Freaking David, you're funny. Get over. David said that he looked like I was praying when I was in that trade. Okay, so we got some consolidation there, and then a whole bunch of consolidation here. So let's see if we can get above this consolidation right here. Got 20 seconds left on this candle, 20 something seconds left. Oh yeah. I bypassed it like nothing. Let's put us. Am I too late? Set limit over there. I'm just gonna make a small one, guys. Just a small one. Set limit over there because of this right here. I don't know if it's gonna bypass this breakout or whatever you want to call it. It's 41 seconds though. Yeah, dump. Future profit trades. Let's get this money. That's right. 19 seconds. I don't want to get filled yet. I don't want to get filled in yet. So let me take it above. That breakout. And yeah, that should be a good trade if it goes long. If it goes long. Let's see. Again, like I was explaining yesterday on my yesterday's video, I don't put no indicators on my screen. They're a good guide, but I don't use them as, I just don't like putting them up on my charts. The only thing I use is this right here. This is all I use, this box right here. Let me see. Okay. You know what? Let me see. What do we got over here? What do we got? Okay, right here. Okay, so we're gonna put a set limit order right there. Why? Because it's underneath this consolidation and then this consolidation. And then of course there's a little bit of consolidation there. And then we'll just go, I'm still trying to learn the point system. and then we'll just go there and then see if we get hit, which I do believe it's gonna come down. But again, the market does what the market does. Does it listen to us? Hell no. Let me see. Come on, buddy. Little body, long wick like that tells me that it's gonna keep dumping. But it has not closed out. It's got 6 seconds left. So we'll wait for that candle to close out and see what it does. But that's not really a long wick, so Roscoe's back. That's right. Is there a way to practice trades? Yeah, there's ways. You go sign up with here. Let me give you TradingView and Trade8. Okay, so you go to them two charts right there, TradingView and Trade8, Roscoe, and you can subscribe to their charts. You can subscribe to their charts, and you can do it monthly or you can do it yearly. It's called paper trading, and you can practice off of that. Let me take these limit orders off, because what it did, and I didn't catch it, is it retested. It came up, came down, now it's going back up. But it's a little too late for me to get into it because it's already in motion. So I missed the retest of that. So let's help. Roscoe was here yesterday. Let's help Roscoe out real quick. So here you go, Roscoe. So you're gonna go here. You can go here, and then you're gonna press there, get started, and you'll get 30 days free trial. Okay, you'll get it for free for 30 days, and then after that, you'll pay this. Or yeah. So get this, get it for 30 days. Don't get the plus, the premium, or the ultimate. You don't want all that. You just want the essential. That's all you want. Just simple, Roscoe. And you'll be able to trade. You'll be able to trade everything with us. You'll be able to paper trade everything. But yeah, just go to TradingView. TradingView, easy. I'm gonna keep trying to do live streams, Roscoe. So if you have any questions, just jump on in here, and I'll try to help you out as best as I could. And this chart right here is Trade8. It's just all consolidation. Consolidation. Well, the trend is up on the 5 minute. Let's see the 15. 15, yeah, it's up as well. Let's see the 30. The 30 is just consolidation. You know, see it sideways. So let's see what we can do. Come on, NQ, be good to us. Be good to us today. One thing about prop firms, I wish all the prop firms had the same the same rules. We can pass a prop firm in one day. That'd be pretty good. Funding ticks. You have to trade the evaluation of the combine for 3 days, and then once you get funded, you have to trade it for 5 days, and then you can get a payout. I like funding ticks because $50 all in. That is not bad. You don't have to pay activation fees or anything. It's just $50 and you're good to go, which is pretty good to me. Consolidation. That's not good. That is not good. Do something else, buddy. So I think I'm about to erase my box because you see how it's consolidating up there. So I might have to redraw my box from here to here. Just waiting to see how this candle closes right now. Yeah, again, I don't knock anybody for using indicators. If they work for you, hey, that's really good. More power to you. But me, I just it's too much going on my screen for me to keep track of. For me to be looking at these indicators and then looking at these candles and what they're doing. What I do like doing is looking at the NQs and then looking at ES at the same time, because sometimes the pace is a little different between both. You know what? Let me check the discount. Let me check the discount on Bulldanox while this thing makes up its mind on what the hell it's gonna do. Because it really doesn't look like it's trying to do anything. But yeah, let's check out the discounts. See what the hell's going on. Super 2029 Vegas. How do you trade? Supply and demand? Don't have a title for the way I trade. Oh, shucks, fellas. 91% off. on Bullinox right now, guys. 91% off. So go get it, guys. Go get it. Alright. Bullinox 91%. Discount code Victor G. Go get some Bullinox, guys. Go get some Bullinox. Let me see what we got. I missed a couple. Super 29 Vegas fair value gaps. Sorry, guys, lost service. What is cracking G? Trade fair value gaps or retest. That's good. That's good. Super 29. That is really good. I trade a little weird. CPI Medina. Send link. CPI Medina, thank you. You got it. I trade kind of weird. I don't know what I just don't call it anything. So what I'm looking for, I always look to my left for consolidation or breakouts, and I try to trade above or below that. But at the same time, I'm looking for the time on the candles to see if there's enough time. Like for instance, right here. Oh shucks, I should have took that. Oh, that is, god darn it. Okay, we're gonna go. Let me go above. Yeah, so I'm putting a set limit order above this breakout. It went up, then it came down. Yeah, and I think my box is irrelevant now, so let me erase that box because it's too high up there already. So who was it? Super 29 Vegas. That's the way I trade. As you can see, there's a breakout, came up, came down. So I'm gonna put my set limit order up there, and then hopefully it gets up to this consolidation right here. So yeah, guys, if you guys are starting to trade, the best thing I can recommend for you guys is if you don't want a paper trade, if you're tired of paper trading and you got confidence in yourself that you are good to go, because I always recommend paper trade. Paper trade for about a month, 2 months. And then after that, go get you some evals, some combines, whatever you want to call them. But get the cheapest ones that you can, like for instance, Bullinox. Bullinox is cheap, what are they, $17, $15 right now? So go get, 5, 6 of them. Yeah, Bullinox is, them evals are intraday, so they're a little harder, but they're cheap evals. Don't go get you some expensive evals. Anything above $50 for an evaluation or a combine, whatever it is you want to call it, that you don't want to get that. You don't want to get that because you want to minimize the money that you're spending on evaluations. So right now, Bullinox, go get you like 5 or 6 of them, guys, and try to pass them. You won't feel as bad losing $17 on a eval when if you buy an eval for $50, like Top Step and all these other things, all these other prop firms, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt. Compare apples to oranges. Evaluation for $15-17, evaluation for $50. Which one would you rather have? Because we're gonna blow some evals. We're not gonna pass them evals on the first try, especially if you are a beginner. So try to get the cheapest ones that you can. And Bullinox trades on Project X. Looks like we might get some action, fellas. As you guys can see, the trend is going up. The trend is going up. So let's see if we get filled. Let's see what we're looking like. That looks like a long. That looks like a long. That looks like a long. So everything's confirmed. It's a long. Let's see if we can get that long. But yeah, fellas, evaluations. Don't get expensive evaluations. You want to spend all that money. It's crazy. I see people buying $50 combines, evaluations, and they keep blowing them and blowing them and blowing them, where, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. Go get some cheap ones. If you blow them, you don't feel as bad, It doesn't hurt your pocket that much. Profit trade. Bullinox is the best way to go when you're still learning. I have 6 Bullinox accounts and 2 of them are passed. Good stuff, profit trades. And look, this is what I tell everybody. Don't fund your Bullinox accounts. Do not fund your Bullinox accounts. Why? Because them Bullinox accounts are intraday and they are very hard to pass. And yeah, the evaluation is cheap, but what are you paying after? To get them 2 accounts funded, profit trades, like $100 and something bucks. Don't do that. Don't do that. Pass about 5 or 6 evals back to back. Back to back. Once you do that, you can take the way you're trading on the evaluation over to the funded part, But if you pass 1 or 2, no, don't fund them them accounts. They're too expensive. My strategy that I try to tell people, we want to spend as less money as possible. How we gonna do that is by learning the charts, the way the candles move. Learning that. Once we learn that, start passing some evals, some combines. Don't fund them accounts. Don't fund them until you pass 4 to 5 in a row, back to back, back to back. Once you do that, hey, go get you a Funded Ticks account where you're all in for $50. Go get you a Tradify account. You know, you're all in. You're all in. Because now you have it. You got it. You're able to read the charts really, really good. Super 29 Vegas, is there a payout? What do you mean, Super 29 Vegas? Is there a payout to what? Passing evaluations is not going to get you a payout. An evaluation or a combine, I think this is what you're asking. An evaluation and a combine are the same things. It's a test that the prop firm is going to put you through. So they'll give you $2,000 that you can lose. If you lose them $2,000, then you blown your account. But the goal is to get $3,000, and then that proves to them, okay, he can trade. He knows how to trade. So then that's when they'll move you over to the funded part. And then there's prop firms that have an extra fee to activate the funded part, which, like I said, that's not the goal. The goal is to pass 4 or 5 evaluations back to back, back to back. Once you pass the 5 evaluations, you're good to go. You're gonna bring that same system that you're doing, trading the evals, into the funding part, and you'll be straight. You'll be good. What the easy? It teased me. It was about to go up. What happened? What happened? What happened? Let's see what we're looking at on different time frames. Consolidation. Still long. It's really consolidation. You guys see that? Just consolidation sideways. That is consolidation. 5 minutes is it's a little dumb, but it's really a consolidation. Do you guys see that? It's going sideways. So, and then the 1 minute is pretty much consolidation from here to here. Can you guys see that? Sometimes we have to zoom out to see the bigger picture. That's what I like to do. I like to look at higher time frames, and it'll tell me what the market is doing. But I got my set limit order right here to go long. Why? Because this is the breakout to the downside. Okay, and then this consolidation, I'm hoping it gets at least up to right there, that consolidation. But you know what? No, I'm wrong. I should be here. Should be here, and then I should be there. Okay, so this is the bottom of the consolidation, and this is the top of this consolidation. This is the top of this breakout, so we are gonna go with that. Trucking with G has been teaching me the point system. So I guess I'm doing 5 points from 94 to 99. 5 points. So we will see. I don't think we'll get up there though, guys. The market is showing a lot of weakness right now. A lot of weakness. Look at the way it's the bodies are building. It's not good, not good. Also, for the guys that got it down pat, funding ticks. Funding ticks is $50. Discount code Victor G. If you guys want to go get some of them as well. Funding ticks is all in, and you're trading on Tradeovate and TradingView. Them are the two charts that they use. Bullinox uses Project X. It looks like a dumper. It looks like a dumper. What the hell? What did I put? 500K. Why did I put that? Let me edit that. Remove. Funny ticks. 50K counts. Can't even pronounce. I can't even spell my own name, guys. What the? There you go. There you go. Bundy takes 50K accounts, $50 all in. Discount code Victor G. So go get one. All right. Looks like we might be getting filled. 52 seconds on that candle. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. Can we get up there? Market is weak, guys. It is really weak. But let's go look at the different time frames. It looks like consolidation. It does not look like it's got a direction yet. That looks like a long. It looks like a long. It's trying to bypass all this consolidation. So let's see what it does. Now another thing I like to tell people, if you get filled and say it starts going against you, don't write it out. Don't write it out. Close your position. There's nothing wrong with closing your position if it's not going your way. Uh, I see people, they put a stop loss and they just ride it out until they get hit, as far as their stop loss. And it just doesn't make sense to me. You're losing 200-300 bucks. Just close it out, guys. Close it out. And just wait for your next entry. That's all. But I don't get people that they put their stop loss and they just wait for this candle to come down and take their money. Makes no sense. Close it out. Close it out. If you're losing 150 bucks, close it. Don't wait till it hits 200 bucks if that's where you have your stop loss at. Like I said, I trade differently than most people. Um, but let's see, fellas. Let's see what we can do here. I need to put that camera on that screen right there, on that monitor right there. There's 32 seconds left on that candle. There's plenty of time. 20 something seconds. I don't like that. I don't like that. If there's not enough time on the candle, I don't want to get filled in. If it's under 20 seconds, I don't want to get filled in. So I rather move my set limit order just a little bit above, because I need more time on that candle if I'm gonna get filled in. That's my strategy. That's what I look for. So now we got a better entry. It's right above that consolidation right here. It's right above it. So I think that's a pretty good entry. But let's see. Ola dip. Bullinox is with the offer for 50K. No. Hold on. Ola Dippo. No, Ola. I think you're doing it wrong. I should just let me show you guys. Yeah, okay. I think we got time. So Bullinox. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let me see. Okay, Bullinox. Okay, so you go there, you log in. Account. Okay, so you're gonna go there, right? You're gonna go there. You're gonna put the discount, and then you're gonna go there. Option 1. You put the discount code first, and then you do security, credit card, whatever, and then you do the agreement. You click there, and then you go next. So make sure that you go to option 1, okay? And you put in your code, the Victor G code. Put Victor G right there, and this right here will turn into 17, okay? Hopefully that helped you out, Ola. Hola, Dippo. Dippo. Doesn't really, it's not really taking a direction. Let me recheck again, guys. Let me recheck again. Make sure we are good with Bullinox. Don't use their code. Use my code. Use my code. Here's my code. Use that code. Yeah, the market is not going anywhere right now. What happened? What happened? Who brought us the heebie-jeebies? I think trucking with G brought us the heebie-jeebies, fellas. Okay, that's a pullback. Let's see what this pullback does. Does it continue, or is it gonna favor that trend right there? Oh, it looks like it's gonna. Well, 1 second. See a body and a long wig. To me, it's gonna reverse. That's what it's telling me. But market will do what the market will do. It's not. This thing is terrible right now, fellas. It's just doing a bunch of gibberish. A bunch of gibberish. You know what? Let's go see what the ES is doing. See, the ES is doing the same thing. Let's go see what MY is doing. See what MY is doing. Let's go back to NQ. Come on, Q, do something, buddy. It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. What do you guys think, fellas? What do you guys think? Is it time to just call it quits? because it's hard to call it. It's just going sideways right now for no damn reason. No damn reason. Yes, Roscoe. Yes, you pay taxes on everything. Everything. But you also get a deduction from your losses. So once you start winning, at the end of the year, they'll send you a 1099 and they'll give you your losses and your wins, and you can write that off. You know, best thing to do is once you get profitable, then open up some kind of LLC corporation or something like that. You know. Okay, can we finally be getting a pump? No, this is not the 15-minute. This is the 1 minute, but I like to go back and forth on the 5 minute. That's the 5 minute right there. Here's the 15-minute right here. It kind of does look like a long, but again, if you look at the overall picture, it's just consolidation. And that's the 30-minute. And again, it's just, to me, it's just consolidation. It's not going nowhere out of there. And this is the 1 minute. So let's do my thing. Let's do my thing. Okay. So let's see if it's got enough movement for me to trade inside this box. I mean, this right here is nasty. This right here. But this is okay. This is okay. So we'll see if I can trade inside this box. That's what I do. But Super 29 Vegas, the 15-minute chart, the 15-minute time frame, that's my Bible. That is, I mean, I'm on that 15-minute time frame constantly, just looking at it to see which way the market is going. You know, I'm always going back and forth, staring at that time frame. But right now I'm trading funding ticks. Funding ticks is they trade on Trade-O-Vate and TradingView. You don't have to pay for any of the charts because it comes with the account. But this is the only indicator that I use right here. I draw my box. That's the only. Well, I'm lying too. Sometimes I'll draw my line, like if it's just a small pullback, I'll draw my line like that and wait for that second candle to build, and then wow, look at that. If I would have jumped on that, that would have been a pretty good trade. So I'll wait for this pullback, and then once the pullback, once it has a pullback, I'll draw this line right here, and I'll wait for 2 candles to build outside of my line, going on the opposite direction, and once the 3rd candle starts building and it's building the same direction, then I'll get into that trade. So we got plenty of time on that candle. I'm still looking to cover these gaps, this gap right here. Still looking for that. I mean, it's there, but it's just doing a bunch of gibberish. It's eventually gonna get to it. I just having patience. That's what it's all about right now. It's 5 seconds on that candle. I'm gonna go for it, guys.
Order filled.
Go for it. So I'm not covering the whole gap. I'm just going up to there. See, I don't like that wick. Don't like that wick. There's 18 seconds on the candle. I don't like that wick. I don't like that wick. Get your butt back up there.
Grandpa,
What, kiddo?
where's Grandma?
Grandma is, I think she's in the kitchen. What's going on?
Did she hear her phone calling?
I don't know. Grandma! Hold on, let me go get. You're live on YouTube. Say hi to the guys.
Oh, hi.
I'm in a trade right now. Hold on, kiddo. Grandma!
I look white.
You look white.
Yeah, my skin is getting lighter.
What the hell were you talking about, kiddo?
Cause my skin, I look like Adrian since I'm still like dark since he's dark skinned.
Yeah.
Order filled.
So I think it's lighter.
Let me get you to Grandma. Hold on, guys. She showered. Grandma! Silas been calling you. You can be on YouTube with me. Let me put the earphones on so they can hear you. Just don't say nothing, huh? Crazy.
Okay, like clock it.
Yeah, whatever that is. Yes. Oh, that was a bad trade, guys. That was a bad trade. It was my granddaughter's fault. Yeah, it was your fault.
Totally.
Totally. Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, Grandpa, whatever you do, if you haven't already done it, do not update your phone to iOS 26.
I did yesterday.
Why? It's horrible.
Why is it horrible?
My keyboard looks like an Android keyboard.
It looks like a what?
And it looks like an Android keyboard. And the camera, like for when you take a picture, it doesn't look like a camera no more.
What the hell?
Why is your screen like that? You're like breaking up.
I'm breaking up? Because you had cheap Wi-Fi.
No, my Wi-Fi bars are all the way up.
So are mine. So are
We have
mine.
like 3 Wi-Fi, yeah.
You're like, what?
Okay, look.
Yeah.
So the camera, app no longer looks like a camera app. You could change your apps to clear.
Uh-huh.
And look, I'm gonna share my screen. Gosh. Share my screen. Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, look. So when you edit, you click customize, and look, I turn my apps clear.
Is that a good thing or what am I looking
It's
at?
It's the update.
And you don't like that?
No, I don't like the clear thing. That's why I don't have them on clear. I have them on default. And then look, for the time, can you still see?
I don't see nothing now.
Dang it. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Dang it, I can't show you. Okay, it's hard to show you. But like, what's it called? Yeah, like you could do that. And then look, it comes with this app, this app, this app. It gave me 5 different apps. Because phone, you were never able to get phone on iPad. There's only FaceTime and messages for like calling and stuff. So there's phone, journal, I don't even know what that is, but that's a new one. Games, that's also a new one.
Mm-hmm.
Playground and preview. And then the camera, you see the camera app?
Yeah.
It doesn't look like the regular camera app that it used to be, which was this. It's no longer this one. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, there. Okay. It's no longer this one. They changed it to this thing.
Zyla is just a change. You just gotta adapt to changes, that's all.
Grandpa?
What?
Oh, and look at my keyboard. What? So I'm gonna go to like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it looks like an Android keyboard.
That's not good?
No. Oh, but you can make your own emojis. Look. So like, I'm gonna do this one, and I'm gonna add a crying emoji, and look, it'll create an emoji for me.
Oh, nice.
That's the only thing I love about it. It's so cool. See?
So there's good and bad things about it.
Mostly everything's bad. The only thing I like is this thing, and you could change the background of messages.
Why do you guys think you're good with the bad, kid? Alright, fellas, let's get back to trading. Ah, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. That freaking leg hurts. Leg hurts. Alright, we got into a bad trade. Bad trade right now. Granddaughter. Jesus Christ. Let's see if we can get this moolah back. Let's see if we can get this moolah back. Somebody needs to give New York some Starbucks, because these candles are moving real slow. It doesn't give me a read, you know? I get no read doing this. Let's see what the 5 minute is doing. Jack, 15-minute. Same thing, just consolidation after consolidation. 30-minute. You see that? Just consolidation. There's just no movement. There's no movement today.
Yeah.
Ah,
Are you recording?
yes. Now, this is what I look for, guys. See that body and that long wick? That means to me, whenever I see that, it just says to me that it's gonna keep dumping. But sometimes it doesn't do what I read. Sometimes the market will do what the market wants to do, but that's what I look for. Body and then long wick, and that tells me that the market is gonna dump. This is the hardest part about trading. It's just sitting and waiting for the market to finally explode, to do, to finally get some kind of trend going. Because, see, this is on an uptrend. Can you guys see that? This is on a downtrend. This is just consolidation. And it is very hard to trade. It is very hard to trade when it's consolidating like that. But for me, if it's got this kind of movement, I can trade it, If if it has this kind of movement, it's kind of hard because you guys can see it's red, green, red, green, red. So there's really not a direction. Oladipo, were you able to buy an account? Or are you still having problems? There's no need to get into any of this right now, guys. Any of it. Because, there's nothing to get into right now. Could it finally be dumping? Could it finally be dumping? That is the question. That is the question. We just need to take some kind of direction. Either a dump or a pump. Because it's hard to trade a market like this right now. It is really, really hard. Yesterday we had some good movement at this time. Really good movement. But today is just, I don't know. And then Fridays are always, this looks like a Friday to me. Let's see what we can do here, fellas. God darn it. No movement whatsoever. So I have my laptop open on this side and I'm looking at the ES and they're pretty much doing the same movement. So I don't really see anything to get into right now. $26 on the candle still. It's just it's not looking good. It's not looking good at all. Somebody sent some Starbucks over to New York so they can start moving this market, will you? Anybody? I haven't traded this account in I think 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So I had to get on this account. I think I've traded like a micro here and there on it just to keep it active so they won't shut it down on me. But other than trade it the way I'm trying to trade it this morning, I haven't done it. What are you doing, NASDAQ? Are you dumping now? Are you finally going to take some kind of direction? Okay, so it looks like my box is gonna be relevant now, so yeah, I'm gonna erase it because it's not consolidating that box no more. So now what are we looking at? What are we looking at, guys? What are we looking at? Okay, so we got some consolidation here, it's dumping, guys. It's dumping. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Bring it, bring it. As long as it's got a direction, I'm good with. As long as it's got a direction. When it doesn't have no direction, that's when there's no need for us to trade. You know, you're just you're gonna blow some money. That's all you're gonna do. Yeah, both the ES and the NQ are doing the same BS. Nothing. Wow, 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 wow. What a market today, huh? What a market. It just went up and now it's trying to come down, but very slowly with a whole bunch of consolidation, which is not, it's not a real good look. It's not the way to trade. It's not the way to trade. So I'm seeing some consolidation there, which it already was trying to bypass it, and then the breakout is way down there, so it might hit, but I mean, there's too much gibberish up there. So my thing is, past this breakout, past this consolidation, this breakout, consolidation, if we can pass all this gibberish, then it's a dumper. But right now there's just not much I can read off of it. It's not giving me a good entry. is not giving me a good entry whatsoever. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna put my mouse there and see if it keeps dumping. If it comes down to that line on the mouse, then probably look into getting into a short. If it goes down to my mouse. The line on my mouse, right there. We shall see. We shall see. Oh wow. Oh wow, wow, wow. It's not working, it's not working. It's not working with us. Come on, buddy, take some kind of direction, will you? All this consolidating not helping anybody. Okay, so it might hit my mouse. I did. Got 20 seconds left on it. It bypassed it, which is good, but it's just doing way too much gibberish. So I'm gonna try oh shucks, it just shut down. I hope I didn't feel it. No, I didn't feel it. I'm gonna try a short right there.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm in.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, it's finally taking a direction, guys. It's finally taking a direction. I mean, there's plenty of gaps that it needs to fill down here. Will it go all the way down here, though? That's the question. Let's just give it a minute and see what it does. Let's see what it does. Well, we got some of our money back. And my granddaughter, that was my granddaughter's fault. Let's see. What can we do? What can we do here? Let's go check out the other time frames. dumpster. It's a dumpster. But look what the market did, guys. Up and down. So this area right here is real critical. Is it gonna go back up, or is it gonna keep dumping? That is the question right now. Does it make sense to you guys? Because if it dumps, it's got all this to fill. Let's go to the 15-minute. See? It's got all these gaps to fill from here on down. It's got all that to fill if it keeps dumping. We shall see, though. We shall see. What in the world are you doing, market? Come on in, Q. Show us a sign. Show us a sign. This is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Crazy. Well, we got 4 seconds on this candle. So again, let's look at the big picture. It went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. So what do you guys think? Think it's gonna go back up? It's just too weak right now. It is way too weak. It's not doing a damn thing. Nothing. Look at it. Let's go look at it, yes. So you guys can see it. You guys can see what I'm looking at. It's weak as well. We could wait up to the power hour, see what it does, but it's hard to trade this market right now. It is not easy to trade right now. It's weak. It's weak. Look at these little candles. They're all weak. The market is weak right now, which is not a good way to trade. It's nothing you want to trade right now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut and run, fellas. Cut and run. Because yeah, this market is just not doing it for me right now. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut it from here, fellas. All right. Well, if you guys are out there driving, drive safe, be safe.